Good Friday evening, Southeast Texas. Looks like a soggy weekend across the area. Saturday, about a 60% coverage. Sunday could be turning stormy across Southeast Texas. First off, Saturday, about a third of an inch or less. Looks like light stuff, but it looks like the first half of Saturday will be wet. Maybe some improvement during the mid and latter afternoon hours, so not a washout Saturday. Sunday, a 70% coverage of storms. Could be severe with damaging winds and hail, 1 to 2 inches possible, as a line of showers and storms likely to move through the area. You're going to have to watch Sunday across the area. Otherwise, as far as rainfall, much of this will come Sunday with that line of storms. 1 to 2 inches on Sunday possible. Tomorrow, a quarter, maybe a third of an inch of rainfall. So the flood risk has eased a bit across our area. Why? Well, it's because that front has worked its way a little further to the south, plus the amount of moisture in the atmosphere has dropped. So over towards South Texas, seeing the heaviest precipitation. And until we get this upper low to move through our area, we will continue to see rounds or intervals of shower and thunderstorm activity right on through the weekend. Disturbance coming in tomorrow, and then the main disturbance coming in on Sunday could have a little pep with it as far as the severe weather risks. So tonight, this evening, looks like a 20 to 30% coverage. And then after about 5 a.m., we'll have to watch for the leading edge of another round of showers and maybe a few thunderstorms coming in probably after 5 a.m. And as you can see, it looks like a lot of the area will see a pretty good coverage of rain. But right now it looks fairly light, less than a half an inch, and then improving after about 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. At least that's the way it looks at this point. On the Gulf of Mexico, slightly choppy seas around 1 to 3 feet in your coastal marine forecast. We'll see easterly winds at 10 to 15 knots. High tides at Sabine Pass at 9:06 a.m. and 5:18 p.m. Our forecast tonight, a 20 to 30% coverage of light showers, lows into the mid to upper 60s. Tomorrow, a 60% coverage of rain, maybe a few thunderstorms, highs mid to upper 70s. Looks like the first half of the day will be the wettest part of the day, with improvement again after the mid to latter afternoon hours. So a yellow bar day on Saturday. Sunday could be quite stormy across the area, as much of Southeast Texas is under the risk for a slight risk of severe weather. We're talking damaging wind and the potential for damaging hail, as we expect a possible line moving through Southeast Texas and then chugging off to the east as that main trough finally pushes out. We'll be between systems on Monday with decreasing cloudiness, looking good, but our highs pop up into the mid-80s. Another round of thunderstorm activity possible on Tuesday, with a 70% coverage ahead of a weak cold front. Then on Wednesday, we'll see decreasing cloudiness, a drier air mass, and northerly winds filter in, and that means the end of the week. Next weekend looks good with cool mornings and low humidity with ample sunshine. Download our app, follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and as always, there's more weather at 12newsnow.com.